Hey y'all, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. You guys know what time it is. We're going to be having a discussion around internet computer. If you're enjoying these updates, do smash that like button, but now let's get right into it. So looking across the board, you're seeing quite a bit of green across the board right now. Obviously dominance has gone down quite significantly, but still in terms of getting excited, I think, that is not a time to be getting excited specifically for altcoins. But speaking about altcoins, altcoins are feeling the love with this Bitcoin momentum. Look at the last 1 week, you really understand what's really happening with altcoins. A lot of coins are up about double digits, and even if you look at it on a monthly time frame, you can really understand, depending on which altcoin you have in your portfolio or altcoins, I'm sure you can see that market is picking up traction. So anyone that comes and says market hasn't done anything, I really hope you guys look at these numbers once again. But looking at internet computer, $8.36 is its price. Just based off of looking at the price, I like where it's sitting. And of course, when I pull out the charts, things will make more sense. But before we get into it, as always, just a quick disclaimer for everyone. Anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So, looking at the market valuation, it's pretty much very close to $4 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume is at about 73.5 million. Bitcoin dominance, as mentioned, has seen quite a sharp drop, but it's being supported by that previous resistance, the triple retest that we did see in the month of August, playing as a support, and since then dominance has seen a little bit of a bounce. Bitcoin, on the other hand, if you look at it on a closer time scale, Bitcoin made its way up to that confirmation level that I have set for myself at $64,000, but we never managed to see that close above here because, of course, it is a hurdle for the price of Bitcoin. Resistances are seen as massive hurdle roadblocks coming in the way of Bitcoin's price. And you could see this for yourself. Literally, you can make it up 2 different retests at 64, never managed to see that close above. So you can really understand how important that 64K level really is for Bitcoin. But so far, so good. I'm not complaining. Right after the rate cut did happen, exactly what we anticipated, it did happen with the price of Bitcoin. So that's, of course, really nice to see. But let's take a closer look and see what really is happening with internet computers. So we know ICP had made this, really nice monthly high at $9.04. Actually, $9.14 to be exact. But obviously, the overall market has seen a little bit of a minor pullback, as you can see for Bitcoin, and dominance has gone down a little bit. But despite that fact, you're still seeing internet computer finding a little bit of a hard time breaking out of this key resistance. It's not going to happen overnight. We do need a little bit more volume, but I think it will happen sooner than a lot of people think. The way it's holding speaks for itself. It's gaining traction once again. And hold on, actually, let's go into the hourly time frame, and you can really understand what's happening with internet computer right now. So you can see, that was the initial move towards the upside. $9.11 was our new yearly high. Since then, obviously, we did see Bitcoin also see a retracement. We did see internet computer retest down to 761. If you picked it up at that 761 range, you did see it make a rally of about 14%. So that's not what I want you guys to focus on. I want you guys to focus on from the August 4th low, though. August 4th low, you could really understand this upwards trajectory that's forming. And the price of internet computer does want to break towards the upside. I've indicated this before we even saw this move. I said internet computer looks like it has found a ground for itself, and since then you saw internet computer picking up traction very shortly after I made those updates. But pretty much the target is at that 978. But what a lot of people are not understanding is if you look at it on a daily time frame, you do see some significant amount of resistance coming around here, around that 910 range that needs to clear out, of course. But so far, this level of support from the previous cycle has pretty much played as a significant amount of support for the price of internet computer over the past few days, which is really nice to see. But nonetheless, in order for us to hit a new monthly high, you need a move of about 11%. If that is able to clear out, I think that would be one of the clear indications that the price of internet computer is about to retest that $9.79 for the first time in over 2 months. And that would be, of course, really nice to see. Well, close to 2 months, not over 2 months. So that's how I'm currently taking a look at internet computer. I like what I'm seeing. Of course, that is that target that I have on my radar first, and then of course we can start talking about some of the other targets later on. But I think that target is looking closer than ever, and if you want to put this into perspective, that's a move of about 16.86%. Once the market picks up traction, I think internet computer can really make its way back above. So pretty much how I look at it is, if it's able to clear out this key resistance that we have, I do think a retest up to that key resistance will come quite fast. But we're going to take it one step at a time. Let me know down below what you guys think. Love you all. See you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.